Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and we are offering for sale a 1990 EN500A, otherwise known as a Vulcan. This motorcycle has 5,924 miles on it. Runs really nice. Let's talk about all the bad stuff. Over here on the gas tank, we have a ding. The tires are nice. Everything works. Looks like it's got fancy spark plug wires on it. We got some scratches right here on the master cylinder. Maybe it was laid down or something. I don't know. I don't see any other damage, but I do have issues there. The lever is nice, so not sure about this. We'd probably come up with a set of mirrors that are not on it. I mean, it's got some pitting like on the carburetor tops a little bit. It's nothing that a nice cleanup, nice detail would definitely do this motorcycle justice. Tail section looks nice. All of these rubbers have been replaced because they were starting to dry rot. Stock exhaust. There's no road rash or anything on the mufflers. The baffles are intact. Sissy bar pad and everything looks pretty good. We got maybe some threads here wanting to come up by the zipper or whatever. That's pretty nice. It's separating here a little bit. Little rust there, but that could all be cleaned up. Nice cleanup would do this bike a lot of good. There's no road rash on the mufflers here. It's got case guards on it. We just cleaned the carburetors. Got a little dent here too on the side, and I don't know what this is from exactly. Maybe they had a windshield or something. I don't know because it's kind of equal on both sides, sort of. We're gonna turn the wheel. Oh, don't know. The tank's not hitting, so I don't know what the damage is from. A little bit of pitting right here on the shield. Not bad, but it's there. Overall, though, that's all the bad things I can really tell you about the bike. Seat's nice. The charging system works. It's got a fresh oil change and filter. It's got a new battery. So now, as soon as I find the key, we'll start it up. Right here. Yep. Pull the clutch in, as always. Motor seems to run nice. Turn signals are working.